Okay, hello, I just wanted to make a quick video on how I repaired this refrigerator shelf. And those are the products I used. I used Loctite PL Fast Grab Premium, some Scotch tape, and some Nashua duct tape. I believe it's waterproof. And this is a refrigerator shelf I came to fix. And it had several issues. I put some Nashua waterproof duct tape here just to hold it together, because around here it was cracked. And here it was cracked too, so it was like, yeah, it just wouldn't hold anymore. So I put duct tape just to hold it. I put some duct tape here because it's got an opening here. I don't know if you can see it. And it was in pretty bad shape. It's got some cracks, hairline cracks, as you can see here. And here it's got some, and it's got some here. And then it's got another crack about here. I don't know if you all can see that. Right here. So I just wanted to fix the weak areas so I can put this back on. And I wanted to show you all how I did this. I grabbed some of this Loctite PL Fast Grab, and this type of adhesive tends to expand, and you do need to give it 24 hours for it to cure. So I went ahead and put some here. I filled it up maybe about halfway. This one likewise. I concentrated on the weak areas, cause and also those cracks that I showed you back here. I don't know if you can see them. You see the cracks there? Okay. I went ahead and put some of that fast grab there. And as you can see, it expanded, and so that's gonna keep that from breaking, since it hadn't broken yet. And I put it here in this area too, just to reinforce that, in the T pattern. The areas that I felt were the weakest. If I didn't address that now, I'm pretty sure I would have had to address it later. And I went ahead and did the same here. And about right here and about right here, there's that duct tape that I put here, because these were cracked. Just like the whole thing just came apart. So I put duct tape. It held it together temporarily. I put duct tape here. It held it together temporarily. And I put the fast grab in here. I filled it up all the way to the top. I figured with the structure of the shelf itself would provide the strength so it won't break off. So that's basically how I did this repair. And also, like I said, it expands. And as you can see here, those rough edges were some of the areas where it started to ooze out. I just cut it off with a utility knife, and I sand them down using a file. One of these files will do. And it took about 24 hours for it to cure. And it appears it did a pretty good job. I mean, after 24 hours, it's 30. I don't think it'll be breaking anytime soon. So I just wanted to show you how I did this repair. And also, where was it? Back here, where it was cracked. I also put some here there. Since I want to, excuse me, I addressed that before it became a problem. And yeah, it also expanded over, so I made sure that it was below the line there. And I had to also make sure that in the refrigerator, it would fit well and sit well. So I, shaved it off there. I sanded it down. And that's where the crack is. So now that's been reinforced too. So it came out pretty good. I'm quite satisfied. And this too. So hopefully I won't have any more problems. And there we go, my friends. And if I have any more other projects, I'll go ahead and bring them out. And like and subscribe. Thank you.